I'm Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. Today I'm going to be making baked tofu nuggets using only a handful of ingredients, and I'll be making not one, not two, but 3 different dipping sauces to go along with them. For this recipe, you're going to want to freeze your tofu and then thaw it out, and then press it really well. And this will give your tofu the mouthfeel of what you'd kind of expect a chicken nugget to feel like in your mouth. The freeze-thaw method also makes it so it doesn't take very long for your tofu to absorb any marinade that it's soaking in, so it won't take very long to prepare these at all. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Here are the ingredients. As you can see, the tofu is a lot different texture than any normal tofu just because of the freeze and thaw method. Anyway, you'll need 1 block of tofu, nutritional yeast, thyme, paprika, and salt, water, flour, and finally you'll need the Better Than Bouillon chicken flavor in the vegetarian variety. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, tear your tofu into bite-sized pieces. You can cut your tofu if you prefer, but I highly recommend tearing it because this gives it less of an artificial feel and it allows more of your seasoning to coat the tofu. Now make your marinade. All you need to do is take your water, add your Better Than Bouillon, and just mix it all together until it is dissolved. Next, pour your broth over your tofu and then just give it a mix to make sure that all of the pieces touch the broth, and the broth should absorb really fast just because of the method that you used. But please use a bigger bowl than I did. Now make your seasoning by combining flour, nutritional yeast, and your spices, and then just whisk them all together. Now you can dredge your tofu. Just put your tofu in the bowl of seasoning and make sure it's all coated, shake off any excess flour, and put it on a silicone lined baking tray, and then continue with the rest of your tofu. Once your oven is completely preheated, put your tray into the oven and set the timer for 25 minutes. And then at the halfway mark, you can sorry about that. At the halfway point, just open your oven and give your tofu a little shake and then heat it up for the rest of the time. While the tofu is baking, you can make any one of these 3 sauces. In a bowl, combine vegan mayo, lemon juice, water or plant milk, dill, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, a sprinkle of salt, and some pepper to taste. Stir up all of your ingredients until they're completely combined, and you have vegan ranch. In a bowl, combine Frank's Red Hot sauce and vegan butter, then microwave your ingredients for 30 seconds and stir it together, and you have buffalo sauce. For the honey mustard, combine yellow mustard and agave and stir the ingredients together, and that's it for the honey mustard. After baking for 25 minutes, your tofu nuggets should be ready. You can remove them from the oven and admire your hard work. As you can see, the nuggets look almost exactly like chicken. The outside is crunchy and delicious, and the inside is juicy and flavorful. Each of the dipping sauces took less than 5 minutes to make, and they are really, really good. I think my favorite has to be the vegan honey mustard, but the ranch is pretty good too. I really hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments below which of the 3 dipping sauces was your favorite or that you think that you're going to try in the future. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, I'll be putting them out every Saturday, so subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.